Right, hi fellow crafters. I've been to Aldi and I made a little unexpected howl, and it's all tools. I got a scroll saw. I got little, sorry for the glare, little drills for manual drills, not electric ones. I bought a little, what you call it? Cordless rotary tool. Ideal for drilling, shaping, engraving, carving, grinding, sanding, polishing, and cutting. So all around tool, very handy, very nice. Because my eyes are not that good anymore, I got helping hand with magnifier. Very nice, very neat, love it. Didn't expect to buy. I went in for bread and milk and stuff, you know. And I ended up with a little howl and couldn't resist. Now this is I'm very proud that I found this one. That's a scroll saw. I used to have one when I lived in Germany, but I had to leave it behind. I couldn't take it to Ireland. So I'm really happy that this was on sale, and they put it down from $59.99 to $39.99, so €40. And that's really, really good, because this is so heavy and so big that I have to sit on my living room floor. And yeah, I have no chance that I can put it down. And it's not open yet. I want to share this moment with you. That's Molly, my crafting buddy. And that's Agnes, my other crafting buddy. That's my boyfriend's dog. Isn't she lovely? And they are so curious. So I cut it open now. Let's see. It has a 3-year warranty. And I had one, as I said, I had all these tools in Germany before and couldn't bring it. And some of it got lost. So, let's see, user manual. See, that's how it should look like. It even has lights. My other one didn't have lights. Really cool. And I hope to make all these fantastic ornaments. You know, wood ornaments. Oh gosh! It's so heavy. Oh, get out of here. Let's see what's in there. Wow, look at that. That's all the stuff you need for the sew. Neatly packed. I like that. Oh, look, a blade. That's the key for adjustment. Look at that. Really sturdy metal. All the supplies. I think this is for getting rid of the dust. You know. So different from my other one. I have to really read the manual and look everything up. Ooh, there it is. Oh, it's big and it's really heavy. Gave me a hard time to carry it into the house. But I hope it's worth the money. Money is always tight when you're a single mom. Well, I'm not taking that out now. When I can, oh my word. Or should I take it out? Let me see. Sorry for the shaking. I will lift that up now. And I hope I can manage that. Ooh. Oh dear. Oh gosh, that's heavy. I think it's at least 6, 7, 10 kilo. I have no idea. I don't want to know. That must be the compressor, or whatever you call it in English. I have no idea. See, that's the light. LED light. Oh my god. This, y'all, that's really thick material and really sturdy, and seems to be really good. Extension cord. See, Irish plug. Actually, these are pretty handy. Everybody living in the UK or Ireland, I use these as a phone holder. They're really good. Put that in the back, the big one goes in the back, and then I put my phone in here. It's really good. If you don't have any, try. It's worth. Really classy. Wow. I see, that's where the... I have no idea. I really have to read that through, and I will tell you in a second video how it works. And I can't wait to use it. So that's the first part. User manual. Aldi. Really cheap for such good quality. Sturdy. I love it. Cool. Really, really, really pleased. Now the second thing I bought is tiny drills. Manual drills. I put you down for a second. What is that? Okay, let me just quick open it. You only hear my voice now. I'm sorry. I lost my knife. Okay. And it's so hard to... I'm sorry. There we go. Sorry. Look. Oh, so precisely. Love it. I think I paid €6.99 for it. Look at this. Can you see my finger? Tiny little fine drills for... I found loads of oysters and other seashells, and I want to make holes in them and drill them and polish them and make really nice crafts out of it. And this is just, look how tiny this is, and really lightweight, but metal, sturdy. You put the drills in there. Really cool. Love it. With that saw I can make, I have this really thin wood, and I can make ornaments out of it, and drill holes. It's really fantastic. So much fun. I used to do that. I used to make fairy garden by myself, fairy doors, and this is what I got too. It was, I think it was like under €23. Oh my god, look at this. Fantastic. Really can't wait to use it. Sorry, that's all my messages. Wow. Here. Oh, that's for the... That's an... I think it's a battery loader. Akku. And I think you stick it in like this. Yeah, I love manuals, so I will read it. I'm not... here's the extension cord. Here's the cord. Yeah, you can... it's a hand-free, cordless tool. That's really good, so it's not in my way. You just plug it in here and load it. And that's really, really neat. Can't wait to load it and get going. Comes with all these here, little tool to adjust, and it has all these bits and pieces for, I think you can drill with it too. I like my hand drill. my manual drill. You can polish, you can file things down. This is like a little brush. You can really make neat things with it. And it sounds like you're at the dentist. Ooh, so not good. But okay. I'm a big girl. I can handle that, I think. So that's another one. And as I said, my eyes are really getting bad. I had chemo, and the chemo hit the eye nerve. I'm glad I'm still alive. No, but that's a price I'm willing to pay. Really. I wear glasses all the time. Always wear glasses. Can't look without them. So I had to take my toe to hold it down. Oh my god, why do they package everything so tight? I have to watch out not to cut myself on plastic. That's a pretty little gadget. Pretty sturdy. Metal foot, very heavy. It looks like I don't know, like a little man. And it would come in handy, I think. Like you can bend that in every direction, so it's really good. And you have these little things here, so you don't have to hold your things and can really work. Never seen that before. I really like it. There you go. So that was my haul for today. And my piggy bank has to recover again. And, let's see, maybe I'll make a little video how everything works, a little if I'm satisfied or not, but I'm really glad I bought it today. Was not in my budget, but hey, I'm not spending much on anything else, only crafting stuff. And this really is like therapy for me, and it helps. I really glad. So let me know if you like my video. I'm not really good at this. Please like, share, subscribe, give me thumbs up, whatever. I appreciate it. Really, I do. Love you all, folks. Have fun. Have a good day. Bye-bye.